Come on, we gotta go. Just get to the car.
Come on, let's get
You get in.
I don't know what's going on. We gotta go. Oh my God. There's no way. There's no way we can get out via car.
You can make it around this corner. Let's try to go this way. This way. Hurry up.
Oh geez. I don't like the sound of that. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Go.
Down the hill. Be careful.
I have to try to reach out to somebody. I don't know what's going on. We have no cell reception. We have to. This is rogue. Is anybody out there? I don't know what's going on. I'm just trying to reach anybody that can give us some information, intel, something about what's going on.
Road preparedness. Can you hear me?
Rule the Wasteland, is that you?
I'm not sure exactly what the situation is, but we're all locked up out here. I'm trying to see if I can get back to the homestead.
Oh my God, I cannot believe that. Do you know what's going on? What's going on in your area? Oh my God. We gotta go. Sorry, we gotta go.
Come on.
Over there, over there.
Go.
I don't know what's happening.
I'm
We
like,
have to get to our location.
We gotta go.
Okay. What's that? Get down, get down, get down, get down.
No. We can't go this way.
That's a huge group of people. I don't know what they're doing, but we have to go around or something. Oh my God.
Come on, go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
We made it.